Hello, and thanks for joining us. Today's video will cover the installation of Dig's adjustable drippers. Dig's multi-stream adjustable drippers provide a simple way to efficiently irrigate a variety of plants, trees, ground cover in residential landscapes, flower beds, and containers. These versatile drippers are available on a 1/4-inch barb for installation directly onto 1/2-inch poly tubing, on a 6-inch stake to connect to 1/4-inch micro tubing, or on a 10/32 inch male threaded base to connect to rigid risers, pop-ups, or stake assemblies. Punch a hole in the top of the 1/2-inch poly tubing. Force the adjustable dripper's barb into the hole. Open the system valve. Hold the base stationary and rotate the cap to adjust the coverage distance. If necessary, flush out the stake assembly or rigid riser prior to installation. Screw the dripper's threaded base clockwise into the top of the rigid riser or micro pop-up until it stops. Open the system valve and pressurize the system. Adjust the coverage area by rotating the cap. Turn the cap clockwise to reduce the coverage distance and counterclockwise to increase. Remove the 1/4-inch barb connector from the stake. Force the barb into the end of the 1/4-inch micro tubing. Punch a hole into the side of the 1/2-inch poly tubing. Force the barb into the hole in the poly tubing. Force the barb on the stake into the end of the micro tubing. Place the stake into the soil. Open the system valve. Turn the dripper cap to adjust for desired coverage distance. These adjustable drippers are just a few of the many innovative water conservation products from Dig. To learn more about Dig irrigation products or the many benefits of drip irrigation systems, please visit digcorp.com. Thanks for watching.